Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing from Craft Ease. So I have a couple of kits from Craft Ease that I've shown you guys before. I did the Lake Cottages one. I've actually done several kits of theirs previously as well. I did one called Autumn, I think, and then I did one called Le Cornet. Craft Ease I like. They are licensed diamond paintings, and they generally include either an AB or a crystal in all of their kits, so just makes it a little bit fun. I don't know if this one has any ABs or not, so we'll see. Let me get everything out of the box and we'll see what I got. Okay, so I've got the canvas relaxing. We've got our drills. As you can see, it is a square kit. I hadn't done a square from Craftably until I started on the Jinx, which was the last one that I opened from them, and the squares fit together really nicely, so I'm looking forward to this one. The Lake Cottages one that I did was a round, but these two, Jinx and this one, are square. All right, let's look in our toolkit. So in our toolkit, we get our boat, we get 2 plates of wax, we get 2 scrunchies, we get 2 diamond painting pins, one with a 3-placer already attached, and then we get a 6 and a 9-placer as well. And then we get the angled tweezers. So that's what comes in the toolkit. So Craft Ease doesn't come with sticker sheets, but they do come with an inventory sheet. So you can see here's the little diamond painting. It's called Beach by Lucy Wu. It is 50 by 40, and like I said, it is square drill. We get 32 colors. It doesn't look like any of them are ABs though. So this might be a good one for me to add in some additional ABs. Pretty sure I have some of these colors in ABs, or maybe even some of the pixie dust drills that I got from DP with Sparklers. I'll have to go through my DMC codes and see what I've got. So yeah, just this cute little painting. This picture is kind of small, so I'll stick a bigger picture of it over there. But I just thought this one would be really cute. I'm assuming there's going to be a nice mix of confetti and multiplacing because of the gradient of colors, but I really like the kind of beach waves here and this cute little kind of kawaii creature, whatever he's supposed to be laying there on the beach. It just looked fun. Let me grab the canvas so we can look at that. Here it is. I'll take some B-roll because I can't quite get everything on the screen, but you can see it's got a schematic on both sides. It's got 32 colors, like I said. It's got all the DMC codes. Just looking at these, 1 through 8 are the symbols 1 through 8. Doesn't look like any of those will be too confusing. And then alphabetic, doesn't look like any of those will be too confusing either. U and V, the colors are different, so I think that will be fine. There's no B to confuse with R. C is a different color than G. And looking at the symbols here on the canvas, they all look really nice and clear. These are all, except for kind of some of the teals up here, these are all kind of very light colors, so it makes it easy. Does look like there's going to be some nice multiplacing. There's a lot of this teal color up here. Some confetti in the waves and everything here is expected, but there's a nice block of color here. And some nice color blocking at the bottom, down here where the beach is. And then actually some nice color blocking in the little character here. Of course, the sunglasses, but the top half of him is pretty color blocked, and then some confetti here. It might be nice to add in some white ABs and maybe even just some sparklies here and there where stuff is laying on the beach. And I'll have to look and see if I want to throw in some ABs in the water as well. I think that would be fun. All right, so this said 50 by 40, so let's measure. So across it is 40. That's really interesting that it says 50 by 40 and not 40 by 50 because it's meant to be a portrait rather than a landscape. Although it is a beach and waves, so I guess you could do it however you want. I will leave it portrait though. Looks like it is 40 by 49 and a half. So pretty close to their 40 by 50. It is nice and sticky. Like I said, I've done several Craft Ease, I think 4 now, and have had good experiences with all of them. Although, like I said, except for the Jinx, all the other ones have been round. So let me grab the drills and we'll look at those. So the drills do come in baggies for those of you who like to work from baggies. I just am too clumsy to do it. So we get a big bag of kind of off-white, which is to be expected because of that's the color of all the waves and the highlights and everything. Then we get like a very pale sage green, a peach, another light green, kind of a turquoise sea green. We get a couple of different shades of kind of orange. This one is a little bit brighter. This one is a little bit darker. We get another lighter kind of turquoise sea green, a kind of dark orange, a mauve, a blue, a light peach, a darker peach, a kind of pale green, and kind of a tan. That's all the 310 that is in this, and that's probably all the sunglasses. Then we get another kind of caramel color, kind of a pale watermelon, a peach, another kind of sea green, a big bag of this kind of peachy orange. I'm assuming that's going to be part of the beach, the sand. We get a very pale peach, almost an off-white, a dark gray, another kind of caramel color, a milk chocolate, another kind of darker peach, a lighter peach color. Then we have a bag of almost a dark salmon color, a light yellow, a butterscotch, a darker butterscotch, and then the last bag is another bag of a peach color. So a couple of big bags of the turquoise, which is to be expected, that is for the water, and then the big bag for all of the white of the waves. Curious where the blue goes. Oh, it just is the eyeballs here in this little like water sprite. How funny. That's the only place the blue goes. I need literally like 2 drills and I got this bag. How funny. So I'll probably have leftovers. So there's the drill. Hey guys, editing me here, and I just wanted to come in and kind of show you what I've completed so far on this kit. I'm actually really loving this one. Surprisingly, it's got a decent enough mix of confetti and multiplacing that it has kept me from getting too bored with all the multiplacing. I really like this teal color, so I decided to start at the top here. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see it's mostly these kind of 2 teal colors here. There's a few little other flecks of color thrown in, and then there's the little water sprite kind of over here. So a lot of this S symbol here and this other color is a T, and then it kind of fades over here and this kind of more seafoam green starts building in, and then I'll be getting into the waves and all of that. But this only took me 3 or 4 hours just to get all of this done because there was such a lot of multiplacing here. But like you can see here, it's almost kind of checkerboard when the 2 colors meet. But I'm really enjoying it, surprisingly. And I think I mentioned last time that I've never really done the Jinx Crafties, which was the last one of theirs that I opened, was the first square one that I had done. This is the second square one, and it's actually going really well. I'm really happy with this one. So I can't wait to kind of finish the kind of water section here and get down into the waves where they're crashing on the beach, and then get down to the bottom section of the beach and everything and see how it turns out. And this is only a 40 by 50, so it's not huge. So this is something I think I will keep to work on in between some of my other big projects, just because it was really kind of nice and zen to have some multiplacing and then some little checkerboarding / confetti to do. And I just really enjoyed it. So that's my thoughts on it so far. I will send you back to the rest of the unboxing. I'm excited to get started on this one. It's got a nice mix of confetti and color blocking, and I'm actually excited to see if I've got any ABs that I can add into this since it didn't come with any. I don't have any spare crystals anymore. I got rid of all of those in my mystery boxes because I just didn't want to haul them to Canada. That's something I'm looking forward to. Once we move, I'll be able to start my stash up again of spare drills, just because they're super heavy, so I haven't wanted to move them to Canada. Okay, anyway, so there you go. Beach by Lucy Wu, 32 colors. I'm going to check and see what ABs I can add in because I think that would be fun. As always, I will stick a link to the canvas down below so you can check it out or check out anything else that they might have. Crafties has some really nice kits, so have a look around while you're there and see what you can see. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.